of Valtronic Designs. Right next to me, possibly one of the world's best built Ferrari 458s. This is the shop car for the lab, Legends Auto Boutique here in New Haven, Connecticut. What we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna showcase the sound characteristics of this Ferrari 458. It's got our free flow race headers, free flow bypass pipes, and then our titanium rear section. This car sounds absolutely world class, and we're gonna show you all the sound characteristics. First, we're gonna do a startup, some revs, then we're gonna do some flybys out on the street here, and you guys are gonna get the full F1 experience. Let's get to it.